Hey, Rick Elmendorf here. I wanted to go through a brief run through of a calculator I just made regarding if you wanted to pay down your mortgage and actually recast your loan. Some lenders allow you to, when you make a principal curtailment of $15,000, $20,000, $25,000 or more, you don't have to refinance to lower your payment. You can simply do what's called a loan recast. So this spreadsheet goes through the different criteria that we need to analyze in order to not only calculate what your new mortgage payment would be, but kind of how it all works. So first and foremost, you just plug in the current value of your house, the current loan balance, and then how much you want to curtail the principal by. So this is going to vary. This is an actual example of a client that we have that wanted to get it below 80% loan to value. So they just bought the house, they sold a house, and they wanted to get it below 80%. So this is what the curtailment needed to be. The new balance that calculates your new loan to value. So anything under 80% loan to value is going to remove that PMI. Now it's not automatic sometimes. Some servicers you do need to click a button to remove that PMI, and it needs to be done within a certain time period or otherwise. So check with your servicer. Here you throw in your current interest rate, your original term, so 30 years will be 360 months. That's how they calculate the amortization schedule. And then you can plug in how many payments you've made to calculate the new term, because this is really the number the loan recast goes off, because you're not refinancing or starting over your mortgage, you're simply continuing on the current mortgage you have. So the current payment, you plug that in. The new payment is calculated based on a few factors. First, it looks at obviously your current interest rate. It takes in the new balance right here, and then it takes over the remaining term, which is here, and it calculates the new principal and interest payment, which is here. Add your current escrow payment, and now you'll have your new monthly mortgage payment as well, and with the savings. So hope this was helpful. If you want any more information, you can email me, give me a call, and look forward to serving you. Thanks. Have a great day.